my session. Smelly cat. Ooh, we have a crazy time with... We are applying the 25...
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
When I continue, you do have 8 options right in front of you, along with that autoplay and bet, and all options are available. And then we spin again. Ready? And good luck. Cash on 20 times multiplier from the top. If we hit now cash on, there goes the next one. Come on, slow down so we can hit it. Please! Yes! Yes! Woo! This is first time for me having a 20 times multiplier on the cash and ain't no way. Oi, I'm gonna ruin this place apparently. 100x is the highest one at the moment. Wait a second, wait for it. Boom! 20x now. 2k is the highest possible multiplier for you to catch. Let's go, baby. Are you excited? Because I am. I'm literally shaking. 20x on a cash hand. This is insane. This is so good. It's so good to be back, right? Now it's your time to make a decision. Go for it. Choose one of the symbols you like. But yet, you saw the board, right? It looks fantastic. So no matter where you are choosing, it's like 20 times better than it used to be before. Wow. Okay, decision time is over. Let's reveal the...
This is the amount of money issued, 1,294,594 euros.
Congratulations, Pasha. Hello, bro. What's up? How's it going? Okay, let's go for the next spin, guys. The betting time is up in place. I bet. You're my favorite host. Oh, thank you, Ez. Thank you so much. And yeah, surprise, guys. I'm here today with you in the crazy time. Well, of course, glad to be with you guys. And, well, let's go for the next spin. Here we go. Zell, hello. Nice to see you, too. 5x multiplier cash and good luck. So, hello, guys. And yeah, really glad to be here today, guys, with you. Come on, cash out! It is! So let's go, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to be the cash out with a 5x multiplier from the Topslot. Woo! Well, let's go! That's going to be exciting. So, let's see what kind of multipliers we're getting here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, there's the 100x multiplier. Let's do the magic with a 5x. Magic time. Well, look at this. 500, 125. What else? 250, 50, 25. Okay, let's go. From the 25 up to 500x multiplier now in this cash and round there, players. Wow. Whew, that's going to be one good hit here. Good hunting. Okay, well, your decision time is up in there, players. Please decide. Please pick one symbol here. So, totally there's 104 symbols. Well, try to aim for that 500. If you don't get that 500, don't worry. There's other cool multipliers in this board. This time, there's a lot of good multipliers. We started from 25 and going all the way up to 500. Now, let's reveal...
This is the amount of money issued, 710,948 euros.
Next multiplier goes for the 66 winners, but 250 multiplier, wow, 1,039 winners. Totally for this round, we have 13,105 winners. Guhani, Laurie, William, you're the top.
There's no one at the back of the wheel. Nobody. Wow, I mean, why would you even consider something like that, right? Here we go. Yeah, it's just a joke, yeah. Cash it right there, everybody with a 4x on it. Amazing, everybody. Way! We got a 500x, everybody. So it's gonna be a 2000x right there. You see that? 2kx. That's the 2000x right there. Huh. That kind of dazed me a little bit, you know. Then I shook my brain a little bit. Wow. Yo. Somebody's gonna get it, you know. Someone is gonna get it. I hope it's gonna be you, my friend. You, my tiger, who is already choosing which emoji to go for, you know. Amazing, yeah. Oh. I can't. Bunny right there.
This is the amount of money issued 491,885 euros.
Yahoo, I got a 2000x. 226 winners with a something 100x. 5,960 wins in total. Oops, Hammer and King with the top 3 wins. Oh. 2000x, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing. Oh. Alright, here we go, everybody, for the next one. Let's do this. Alright, so, anybody here who got a 5x, who will write it in the chat to let us know that you...
Awesome top winners. I wish you best of luck. Good luck to you. Let's go. Let's continue. Let's make something great. Hi, Hassan. Welcome. What's up, Hassan? How are you feeling today, Hassan? Good luck. Crazy time is 3x. No, Vadimka, you're not my господин. You're not my steer. Now go! Woo! We got it! Crazy time with 3x. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's open the red race here. Bye. Kisses. That's amazing. Waiting. And here we go. It's not like a Pikachu. It's a crazy time. Let's drive you crazy, guys. So, guys, here we go. First of all, we got a 3x. Boom, shakalaka. Amazing. So, I love it. So, looks like 600 will be the highest one. Cool. This side, green, blue, yellow, green, or blue. If it's going to be 600, we'll catch, then it's going to be the highest win for today. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, go! Good luck! 600, the highest one. You forgot, what do you forget how? How what?
This is the amount of money issued 857,650 euros.
On yellow! No green, baby. Raven, you want it? You got it. Look at that. 3,000 players catch a 300. Congratulations. We're going back. I will be back. I think so. You're waiting for me. I'm not sure, really. Hi, guys. Maybe you missed me. Maybe not really. 11,000 players. One lottery. 3K for you. 27K for you. 5. Congratulations. Let's spend one more time. Good luck. Autoplay bad. No repeat about all options available. So, guys, let's go. Oh, Cloud. That's cool. Good luck to you guys. Enjoy the game. 5 packs on cash con. Can be cool.
For playing and my colleague taking over. Peace. Cheers, man.
People, what question? I'm into it now. Spin or heart? Hola? You know what? I think he really wants that second one. Yeah. I think. What's poppin'? Crazy down with a 7x.5. Gotta love it though. Yo, what's everybody? Hey, yo, let's start with a crazy with a 7x. Let's go, baby! Guess what? FBI, open up! Well, what a start, eh? Welcome to your mom's house. I guess what? We got a 7x to drop it down low, baby. Oh, what a start. Oh, yeah. And it's picking time now. Yep. In a moment. So it's a green, blue, yellow, purple, orange, pink, white, burgundy, gray. Which one do you want to pick? Do it! Come on, guys. I go 700x highest. Let's fly, baby. Come on, baby. Money. I just want to see some money. Why stop there? Let's bring out a double, eh? On a green. Yeah, why not have a double? Yeah, let's go with the double. So with the double, I gotta say, we're gonna move on with the 1400x highest. Let's fly, baby. Yeah! Mamacita! Oh!
This is the amount of money issued 1,029,786 euros.
$2,365 you would have. 350x. Nicely done. 945. 9,458 total winners. Nicely done. Congrats, all 12 threes. Let's go, baby. Hey, yo. Yo, what's up, and when?
1,461 of you, well done. Gamer, I have my reasons to be happy. It's kind of sad if you don't have your reasons to be happy. And your happiness depends from the results. Players, be responsible while playing, while gambling. Choose wisely. Okay, that's a friendly reminder. So I have crazy down with 5x. That would be a full catch, not gonna lie. But the wheel is somewhere running. And the wheel ran to the crazy time. Let's go through the red door. Wow. You tell me lies. Come with me. Let's go inside. Welcome, players. Welcome to the crazy time. Ready to have some fun? Now let's put the 5x from the top slot. And now it is time for you to make your decisions. 3 teams, green, blue, and yellow. If you will make your decisions, they will be made automatically. Let's see, as always, blue has your heart. Let's check the highest multiplier. That is going to be 500x, and good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 72,386 euros.
125, 125. Congratulations. Guess who's back? Back again. We're 2,000 winners, 2,730. You saw some cool wins. Wow, we walk. Congratulations. I did 50 cent spins with no bonus. Yes, I'm the one who did that yesterday. Yes, I'm the one. Welcome. Welcome to my session. Smelly cat, smelly cat. Oh, we have a crazy time with 25x. Kitty cat, what are they feeding you? No way. No way. This is the first time that's happening to me, you know. I don't know how to react. No. What? What am I supposed to say? Welcome to the biggest wheel in the world. We are applying the 25x multiplier from the Topslot. Okay, make your decisions. Green, blue, or yellow. Oh my, if you cannot decide, let the bot choose for you then. Oh my, that's... Okay, let's see. 2,500 is the biggest good luck.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,641,726 euros.
That's 1,000.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.